For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video. We have already reported how the team of Tiger Zinda Hai had a grueling time shooting at Morocco, and when this difficult schedule was complete, the team deserved a big celebration. And so filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar and the entire team, including Salman and Katrina, had a special party. The tiger and his tigress seems to have had a blast as they enjoyed till the wee hours of the morning. Truly, a much-deserved break before they gear up for the last leg of shooting in Abu Dhabi. Slated to release in December this year, Tiger Zinda Hai speaks about the story of Tiger and Zoya, the two spies from India and Pakistan raw. Yes, it's a sequel to the very famous spy thriller Ek Tha Tiger and will take the story forward from where the story of the two lovers ended. Now this is something we really look forward to. What about you? Hrithik Roshan would soon be out with Krish 4 in the end of 2018. Yes, Rakesh Roshan is almost done with the scripting and would begin the flick in January 2018. Set for a Christmas release, Krish 4 would be clashing with SRK's film with Anand L. Rai and also Aamir's Thugs of Hindustan. Well, that is quite an event, for don't we like to see clashes and then to see which movie is the better one. Hrithik and his dad Rakesh Chouhar brought in the concept of super abilities and cartoon characters in Bollywood with the Krish series, and kids surely are in for a treat with the fourth sequel, Henna. Meanwhile, Hrithik was seen in the movie Kabul, which was indeed a Sara Hatke flick from his kitty. Now with his dad behind him, we are sure that the combination is going to be a whacker as in earlier cases. What do you feel? Do let us know. Shah Rukh Khan was seen holding his younger kid Abram at the airport, and it made a cute sight indeed. Also seen was Anushka along with the father-son duo. Well, we do know that SRK is getting ready with his upcoming Jab Harry Met Sejal, and perhaps the lead pair were amidst their promotional tours. We did see Shah Rukh in a dance reality show, and one is but smitten by his modesty and humility when he is on a public platform. Anyway, we also love watching Abram, who is the darling of all King Khan fans. Shah Rukh is also busy with his film with Anand L. Rai, where he would be playing the role of a dwarf. This is a 2018 Christmas release. But for now, get ready for August 4th to watch Jab Harry Met Sejal with the Rabni Banadi Jodi pair in the lead. A couple of days ago, we had reported that Saif Ali Khan, wifey Kareena Kapoor Khan and his little munchkin Taimur Ali Khan had embarked on their annual Swiss vacation. Their airport pictures did make us smile, and now this picture straight from their vacation is surely going to leave us speechless. Here we see how proud Pa is carrying Taimur in his arms as he poses on the gallery, planting a loving kiss on the Nanhi Nawab's forehead. The backdrop of the green mountains and the clear skies only add perfection to the already perfect picture. Truly, this picture is priceless, but it would definitely have been more complete with Bebo in the frame, don't you think? Moni Roy is quite busy shooting for her debut film Gold, where she will be starring across Akshay Kumar. News was that Moni had bagged this role thanks to Salman Khan's recommendation. Yes, it is true that Salman and Moni bond really well, and the two have been sharing stage quite often, yet the Nagin of small screen is quite miffed by these rumors, and she even clarified her stand on social media, stating that she had got the role purely on the basis of her talent, and she too had to go through the proper audition process before being finalized. Such rumors are an insult to her talent, and so Moni is quite annoyed. Well, recommendation or not, we though are glad to see Moni making her debut in Bollywood. What about you? Everyone knows that Salman and Katrina were a hot couple for quite some time before they parted ways. And now the two exes are sharing screen space in Ali Abbas Zafar's film Tiger Zinda Hai. The two have recently wrapped up the Morocco leg of their shooting and have since then returned. Pictures of the two bonding on the sets have often surfaced, and this didn't seem to have disturbed Olia Vantour, Salman's alleged lady love. Olia flew to Morocco to spend some quality time with her beau Salman, but it seems that she too could not handle the growing proximity between the tiger and his on-screen tigress, and so she flew back to India. Now, does this mean that Olia has left Salman for Katrina, or will she patch up with the Bandra boy? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.
यहाँ सबकी लाइफ में मदर है, बिना पीरियड के कोई औरत बच्चा दे सकती है। तो आप लोग औरतों के शरीर से पैदा होते हैं और औरतों को उसके लिए टैक्स देना पड़ता है। कहाँ का लॉजिक है? अपील करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट से आप। और कितनी अपील करती है? भाई अपील है कि सैनिटरी नैपकिन स्पेस जो 12% का टैक्स है उसे हटाया जाए। It's not a luxury item, it's a necessity for every woman and you have all come out of women, so please respect that. Alright? भाई अपील है कि सैनिटरी नैपकिन स्पेस जो 12% का टैक्स है उसे हटाया जाए। It's not a luxury item, it's a necessity for every woman and you have all come out of women, so please respect that. Alright?
भाई पहले यहाँ पे फर्स्ट मार भाई एक मिनट यहाँ बोल करो भाई भाई एक मिनट यहाँ बोल करो भाई भाई आप भाई सेकंड भाई सेंटर भाई स्ट्रेट भाई भाई भाई
बाइट चाहिए।
Okay. Good evening. Hello. I do. Thank you. Thank you so much. बहुत ही मज़ा आया है 25 सालों में। अभी तक लगता नहीं है कि 25 साल ख़त्म हुए। But yes, I can say by God's grace, hopefully I'll finish another 25. Let's see. आज आपको शायद किसी ने felicitated किया जा रहा है यहाँ पर? बोल तो रहे हैं, देखती हूँ। Of course it feels good. अच्छा लगता है जब लोग आपके काम की तारीफ़ करते हैं और आपकी कामयाबी की तारीफ़ करते हैं, तो it feels good. I'm happy to be here. Too many questions about this one evening. What are my other expectations? No other expectations. I'm expecting to enjoy myself, honestly. What more can you ask? Thank you so much. I also think it's a very interesting topic. What can I say about it? I think you should be saying that to me, no? About what I think of the evening. Asking me about it is odd and strange. But thank you for the compliment. I don't know. I hope I surprise myself. अभी पता नहीं है, देखूंगी जो भी है. I hope I do it well. Thank you. बस हो गया.
वो बहुत खुश हैं ऑब्वियसली. वो क्या बोलेंगे? आई थिंक they're just happy. What do I say? Ajay has also completed 26 years. I'm completing 25 years. And we're both very, very happy about it. Thank you.
Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif's Tiger Zinda Hai is going to be bigger. Tiger Salman and his tigress Katrina Kaif recently wrapped up the Morocco leg of shooting for their upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. And now the two will soon head to Abu Dhabi for a 40-day schedule which will mark the wrap of the film. The film, which has some really high-octane action sequences, is also full of romantic numbers in exotic locales in Morocco, Austria, Abu Dhabi and other places as well. The plot of the film is based on a real-life event and Salman reveals that it will be much bigger and better than Ek Tha Tiger and would be based on combating terrorism and a lot more. Slated to release in December, this film is directed by Ali Abbas Zafar and will mark the reunion of Salman and Katrina after 5 long years. Well, that's reason enough to watch the film, isn't it? Do let us know by commenting in the section below. Salman Khan has become the face of the controversial reality show Bigg Boss. Sadly, the TRPs of the show were steadily dropping since the last couple of seasons, and so they added spice by including commoners competing with celebrities. Though the TRPs did witness a surge, but not a substantial one, and so the makers have now hit upon an ingenious idea to spice things up. Apparently, they have changed the concept of the show and will also have members of the same family compete with each other. Well, with this we can expect mother-daughter, brother-sister, husband-wife and many other family members compete in pairs. Wow! Now this twist will surely shoot the TRP high and unearth some really spicy gossip. Don't you think so? Do let us know by commenting in the section.
Earlier during the day, we had revealed how Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif have wrapped up the Morocco schedule for their upcoming spy thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. And now Salman is back in India where he will be shooting a promo video of Bigg Boss 11. After which, he will fly off to Abu Dhabi to finish the last leg of his shooting of his film. Filmmaker Ali Abbas Zafar broke the news on Twitter with the tweet, "4th schedule of Tiger Zinda Hai done in Morocco. Thank you for local production. You guys did a fabulous job. Here we come Abu Dhabi, last one." Throughout the shooting, we have been delighted with pics of Tiger and his tigress, some candid, some with fans and some while shooting for some really high-octane action sequences. The last leg may take around 40 days to wrap up before the film goes into the post-production stage. So what do you think of The Last Destination? Do let us know by commenting below in the section.
This September, we will see the two bestie Khans, Shah Rukh and Salman, clash. What? But how is that possible? Shah Rukh's film Jab Harry Met Sejal is releasing in August, while Salman's film Tiger Zinda Hai is releasing in December. Then what is all this about a clash in September? Well, this is not a clash on the big screen, but on the small screen. Reports reveal that SRK will be hosting a show TED Talks Nayi Soch, which will be aired on Star Plus in September, the same month as Salman Khan's Bigg Boss 11 will be aired. So will there be a TRP clash? Well, not really, because SRK's show will be aired in the 9 PM slot, while Salman's controversial reality show will be aired at least 1 hour later. Thank God for small mercies. Well, now that this is happening, fans will be in for a double dose of entertainment from the two shows. Now this sounds really exciting, doesn't it? Do let us know by commenting in the section below.